Hello. I did a video on this wig, and all I actually did was I put the wig on, I talked about it, how comfortable and how versatile it is, but I really did not give you the opportunity to see how versatile this wig is. This is actually not a wig to snooze on, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so before I get started, I do want to welcome anybody who is new to the channel or new to my channel. My name is Carrie. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to be part of my wig family. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you 8 different styles that you can do with this hair. Okay, it's this one right here, long, flowing, chic, sharp, love it. The second style that I'm actually going to show you. Call this the princess style. Okay, so you're going to need 2 bobby pins, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull your hair up on the sides. Now I usually like to do both, that way I can kind of gauge, and I do this. Okay, so once again I take my fingers and I just simply pull it up just a little bit. Right now I don't want to show this too much, so you have to be careful there. You don't want to do that. Now get your bobby pin and make sure that you stick it in really good there on the sides. Now you might want to use some more stylish pins, maybe if you have something in gold or silver or something that has diamonds. That way you have more of a decoration. Okay, and just hold that and pull it down just a little bit, because you don't want to show this on the side. You don't want to show your actual hair too much. Now this could be brushed in a little bit. You've got the long flowing hair in the back, you've got the bang, and you have sort of a lift to show your face off just a little bit, and it looks so delicate. Okay, I'm going to brush it out a little bit, that way it's nice and neat when I get ready to do this. Okay, but this third style I'm going to show you is an updo. You're going to use a clip for it. So all I do is I actually take my hair, twist it a little bit in the back. I take the clip and I try to put it at high so that you can actually see the hair that's coming out in the top. Now this is going to be a little crazy at first, so you have to do some adjusting to it to make it fall the way you want it to fall. But it's sort of a little bit of a messy look, but it's a put together messy look. Okay. All right. So now you've got that updo. You've got the bang with the updo. And once again, make sure that you take a little bit of your hair out on the sides. Now you could actually put a bang with this or a scarf to cover this area if you want to, or you can wear it just like it is. And once again, it's an updo. It gives your face a nice lift, and real simple, easy. You know, when you don't have time, this is something to do. Okay, so I just showed you the updo. Now the next one that I'm going to do, real simple ponytail. Just take your hair back. All you need is a rubber band or a hairband. Okay. Simple ponytail. Pull your hair out a little bit on the sides there. And voila, you have a simple ponytail. Now I'm going to show you the double ponytail. Take a rubber band, Now you can braid this if you want to as well. I'm not going to braid it right now, but I just want to show you that you can do here's yet one more style that you can get out of this one wig. That is how nice this wig is. This is not something to snooze on. Okay, so now you've got yet another style. More playful, you want to go out, play tennis. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what you can do. Yet another ponytail. Okay, we're going to put this back in a ponytail. I mean, if you go to work every day of the week, 5 days this week, you've got a different style every day with this hair. Okay, so you put it back in a ponytail and then braid it. Braid your ponytail. I'll show you what I'm doing. Braid the ponytail. Okay, now I'm not going to braid it all the way to the end. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to twist the ponytail. I'm going to stick the end in the center that was created. Okay, and I'm going to use, I don't know what these pens are called. They're not bobby pins, but they're some kind of pen. Right now I only have 2. You might want to use more than 2 with something like that. You may want to use maybe 4. Okay, so now this is braided in the back. You might even want to tie something around the back if you want it, but another way of getting hair off your back, off your neck, showing your face a little bit more. Make sure that you have some nice earrings on. Okay, and the last one that I'm going to show you, you can actually get either a nice band that you can put around. I, for some reason, can't find my bands, so I'm actually going to have to use a scarf. So I have a scarf. You can do a band, you can do a scarf. There's so many things, as I said before, that you can do with this hair. So I'm using a scarf right now. What I'm going to do is pull my hair back and put it up so that the hair is out of the way while I do this, because otherwise it can be a pain to make it look neat quickly because the hair is in the way. So all you want to do is take the scarf, put it over the center part of the wig, and in the back. Now you can either do this, you can tie it like that and tuck it in, which maybe I'll do that. Or in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it. I'm just going to do a bow tie. And then I'll take the bow tie, I will twist it, and then poke it up under the remainder of the scarf. Now I can take my hair down. You can either leave it up or you can take it down. It's up to you which one you want to do. But in this case, I'm just going to show you how it looks if you just took it down. You want to make sure that you have some hair over the scarf as well. Okay. All right. So there we have it. Yet another style. Okay, so I believe I said 8, but I think there's about 7 styles that I've showed you that you can actually use with just one wig. So like I said before, this is not a wig that you want to snooze on. Okay, this is a wonderful wig. If it starts to get a little tangled, I would suggest just simply washing it. It's good to go. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, if you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get any of my videos that I upload in the future. You won't miss any videos. All right, so until then, I will see you in the next video. Right, peace out.